Hi guys and gals and the undecided, Gary here from MangaMAC Workshop, where we fix, repair, sometimes break and have to fix again. Let's get into it. Right, connected, go to outputs so that we understand that. 1. Yep. 2. Anti-clockwise. Yep. 3. Anti-clockwise. Nice. 4. Ooh, right. Cool. Now we're good. Right, the next bit is I'll connect the GPS unit, so I'll put it outside and just make sure that's hitting the right direction. Well guys, this is the moment of truth. Quad is out in the paddock. See where we're on. Oh, here we go. Oops. Round 2. Well guys, yeah, so I had a fly at the back here, and we had a couple of little flies, and then it did take off and it flew over towards that big tree, and then it sort of was on about halfway up that tree, about this way, then it got a slight pattern, then it actually flew around the tree and flew into the tree. So I don't know how to manage that, obviously more skill required, but yeah, so that took quite a bit to get it out of that tree. It's freaking big and it was a long way up, so we managed to get a fishing rod on the end of a long pole and managed to hook it and pull it down. But yeah, obviously it sustained a bit of damage on the way down. Okay guys, I've taken it all apart. You can see some of these mounts broke off here, so obviously that's not the best, but I've got some good glue to glue these back on. I've just got to find where they belong. Still some cow manure in here, which so I've got to get out this one here, clean that out. But apart from that, obviously all these mounts, screws got broken, so that's broken, and there's a motor that needs to be cleaned out. It's got a bit of shit on it, I think. So I think we're not, pretty lucky. We're lucky to got it out of the tree. So I think the next time what I'll do, I'll probably end up tie it to the ground, put a rope on it so it doesn't go too far away. I mean, it was okay. I just kind of panicked, I guess, and I didn't know which way I was facing. So I'm going to get the return to home function working properly, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, hi guys. So what I'm doing now, I'm just going through, and when it crashed, it's obviously broken off the mounts here, so I'm just going through and unscrewing them, and I've been so all these ones around here, I've just been gluing them on. I think they're going to make it too much exciting thing, but yeah, look, to be fair, damage wise we're probably reasonable, you could say. Reasonable, not too bad, all things considered. Here we go, test flight time. Okay guys, do our first test flight here. It's a bit windy. I've got a bit of string tied to it so we don't disappear off down the paddock like I did once before. I've got the 12 by 45 props on it, so we'll give it a go. Oh, looks pretty good. The other props I had in were 12 by 60s and they were way too quick. Even these ones are a bit fast, I think, so we'll see how we go. Arm it. Oh, crunch time. Oh, it's kind of trying to fly. String wrap around the prop. Mown a bit of grass. Working. I mean, at least it's getting off the ground. I think I'm gonna have to wait till we get the new props, a bit less pitch. These ones are still probably a bit gainy, so I think making progress. Then the last time we ended up inside the tree, so I think we will call it a victory. These are, these are still too much pitch for what we should have, but it's been quite nice having the string on it, to be fair, instead of it disappearing off across the paddock like last time into a tree. So at least I can. The tuning doesn't seem to knock it back too much, so I don't know what story is there. But anyway, that's enough for today. I think it's beer o'clock.